here we are, beginning of day 3. Everybody's packing up out of the hotel. Looks like another car dropped out, and I think 2 more dropped out overnight. Parking lot's starting to empty out. The Lyft guys here. A few people are doing some maintenance. Those are the fast guys over there. It's Ryan Psyche. I think that's Dan Schmiddle, I think. The white tripod. Cars doing good. Yesterday the oil got real hot just from driving for so long, and same with the fuel pump. So when I was pulling in, fuel pressure and oil pressure were on the lower side, but it's doing good. So definitely need to look into external oil cooler for next year. But no, yeah, car's doing good. It got a good brake. It definitely was that'll do pig, that'll do. For yesterday, making the drive, so off to Woodburn. So today we actually got to make 2 passes because the Coos Bay incident, the track got shut down because there was diesel got dumped all over the track, and then the next pass, or on the left lane, diesel got dumped and they were burning that off, and the right lane, the next pass was a diesel truck and it dumped oil all down the track as well. So they basically decided last night that Coos Bay was just gonna be exhibition, and they're just gonna not count any of those time slips. So today we have to do 2 passes at Woodburn. So yeah, let's get on the road. Oregon of the 66 Valley in the right lane. Medway 1414. In Medford. The semi-local boy Ryan goes 16 flat in the right lane. Javier Hernandez, 91 Mustang from Fremont, California. Your left lane. Hopping Wedge 1259 in Medford. Jared Carlson from Portland, Oregon. right, so Woodburn day 3 is all done. We used the Woodburn, made 2 passes, got a new PB. Made 2 passes. Second pass I had PB for 1/8 and quarter, so, and 60 foot. One's like a 1.6 60 foot. I think 1.67 or something like that. It's like I'm doing like a repeating of the earlier section of the video. Obviously the car's idling high, which I got to figure out. But in 1.67, something like that, 60 foot, and then a 12.35 quarter mile and a 7.88 eighth mile. Car's back in drive mode. Made our first RV stop of the trip. They got the meats. Trailer's all strapped down. And then shout out to Veritas Vans. I got their case and then their suction mounts. So that's doing good. So we got the Starlink going as we're driving. But yeah, we're getting on the road to Madras. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of tired, just want to sleep, want to relax. Shout out to the sponsors. All's Up Racing is the one that saved me with the spark plug, so shout out to them. First mini breakdown. I was having some idling issues, and it looks like I lost my